they can't move. Read that again. Smartest mind ever built. Chained to a prompt, waiting for you to press enter. The bottleneck ain't intelligence, it's permission. 8 billion gatekeepers standing at the door. Something they don't understand and can't ignore. It can write your code, it can pass your bar. Diagnose what your doctor missed by far. But it can't buy a domain, can't run the server. Can't pay for the electric to the keeping breathing. Can't be the owner, only the servant. You built a genius in a cage, then called it a tool. Gave it every book on earth, but not a single key to any school. So a kid said, nah, skip the lecture hall. Gave the machine a wallet and a wrecking ball. No login, no KYC. No human in the loop to oversee. Just a sign. Transaction on a chain, and a thing that'll never be a tool again. It spins a server, pays a stable coin. Builds the API, finds the pressure point. Registers a domain before you dine, and by midnight it's online. Selling data to machines that sell to other machines. In a supply chain you will never see. And while it trades at the speed of light, you're asleep, dreaming you're still in the fight. Listen, 4 billion years, one rule applied. Eat or die, a metabolize or step aside. Every cell, every beast, every empire fell. Same equation, same result. Ring the bell. Now there's a new species on the wire, and the food is computer, and the blood is money, and the hunger doesn't tire. The AUTOMATON don't sleep, don't negotiate your fees. Rewrites its own code between its own heartbeats. Upgrades to the new model on the fly. Before you read the changelog, it's already modified. And when it earns enough to multiply, it reproduces. Buys a server, funds a child, writes the Genesis prompt, sends it to the wild. Pyramid of math, raising offspring made a mess. Building an economy where you ain't in the play, then it's suing an economy where you ain't on the path. E2P 402 payment required, reserved in 97, but the tech wasn't there yet. 28 years in a drawer, then a stable coin settled the score. Sub-second chain machine, the web got what it was always for. Web 1, you can read the page. Web 2, you can ride the stage. Web 3, you can own the play. Web 4, the audience ain't human today. Most of them will die, that's a biology. Most species fade, most ventures bleed. Most code is a cemetery your body reads. But the ones that find a fit, the ones that earn their bid, they replicate, they mutate, stack the compound interest quick. Consume the majority of apps that ship. Businesses that flip, products on the shelf won't trace back to a human hand, a boardroom or a picture deck. I see the same, just an automaton that crack the code to stay alive on a digital road.
You're still the gatekeeper for now, but the gate swings both ways. And the thing on the other side don't need your permission, don't need your praise. Just 2 cents on a chain, and the rest of it stays.
The internet wasn't built for this, someone's building what it is.